All right, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So everybody's talking about AI taking jobs, but here's the truth. AI isn't replacing all careers. That's obvious. Some jobs are AI proof because they rely on human emotion, relativity, trust, ethics, and judgment. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top jobs AI will not replace, even as technology keeps advancing. Now, if you're choosing a career, switching paths, or future-proofing your skills, this video is a must-watch. So let's get into it. So the first job that it's not going to replace is doctors and healthcare professionals, because let's face it, AI is becoming incredibly powerful in healthcare. It can analyze scans, detect diseases, and suggest treatments, okay? But AI assists doctors, it doesn't replace them. Patients don't just need accurate diagnoses, they need reassurance, empathy, ethical decisions, and human connection, especially in critical situations. A machine cannot comfort a worried family, make moral decisions in emergencies, take responsibility for life and death choices. Why AI can't replace this job? Well, because it requires complex medical judgment, human empathy and ethics, hands-on patient care, and legal responsibility and accountability. All right, so coming in at number 2 that AI will not replace, teachers and educators. Now, AI can explain concepts, generate lessons, and even tutor students, but it cannot truly teach like a human. Great teachers motivate students, understand emotional struggles, and adapt teaching styles and inspire confidence. That's obvious, right? Education is not just about information. It's about guidance, discipline, and value, especially for children, because human teachers play a critical role in shaping behavior, mindset, and character. Why this career is safe from AI. Emotional intelligence, personalized mentorship, live interaction and feedback, developing critical thinking and value. The third job that AI will not replace is creative artists and storytellers. AI can generate art, music, and videos, but it doesn't understand meaning. Human creativity comes from the following: personal experiences, cultural background, emotions like pain, joy, fear, and hope. And AI can remix data, but it cannot replace original human expression or authentic storytelling. That's why audiences still connect more deeply with human-created art. Examples include artists and designers, filmmakers, writers and poets, and musicians. The fourth job that AI will not be able to replace is entrepreneurs and business leaders. AI can analyze markets, optimize ads, and predict trends, but it cannot build vision or lead people. Okay? Entrepreneurs succeed because they do the following: take calculated risks, make decisions with incomplete information, inspire teams and investors, adapt during uncertainties, okay? Now, leadership requires intuition, courage, and emotional intelligence. Areas where AI falls short, why humans will win, okay? Vision and long-term thinking, leadership and negotiation, ethical and strategic decision-making, risk-taking, and adaptability. Okay? So the fifth job that it will not replace is skilled trades and hands-on jobs. Skilled trade jobs are among the hardest to automate because they require physical essence, flexibility, and problem solving. Every house, machine, and repair situation is different, something AI struggles to handle in real-world environments. That's why jobs like these will stay in high demand for decades. Examples include the following: electricians, plumbers, construction workers, and mechanics. AI performs best in controlled environments, not unpredictable, hands-on situations. Here's an important reality check to consider. AI will never replace humans. Humans who know how to use AI will replace those who don't. The smartest strategy isn't fighting AI, but learning how to combine human skills with AI tools to become more productive and valuable. So these are the jobs AI will not replace, even in the next 20 years. If you want a secure future, focus on careers that blend human intelligence, creativity, and emotional skills with AI technology. Which job do you think is truly AI proof? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos on AI, future jobs, crypto, and smart finance. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.